Hey guys, welcome back to SpacedTime. Previously, we worked on some bugs and made some minor UX improvements. And today, and starting this episode, we're gonna focus a little bit on making our code better, and how the deployment is better, and start by you know just resolving a lot of tech debt. For one, our current code base currently has both the CLI and also the website that is going to represent in the future. It's very simple, but it's got both in there. And Nuxt.js has a pretty big payload, and right now, every single time we deploy our small micro CLI program, that entire like code base of Nuxt.js is being deployed with it. And I can show you an example. Right now, if I were to upgrade my SpacedTime command line, this is a process that should be pretty fast because our command line application right now is very small. However, it's doing all these things because Nuxt.js uses all these things and it's being included in that build, and it's making it very, very heavy. So I want to resolve that, and I'm going to get started. So for one, the technique that I'm going to use is, instead of creating a new repository, which is a valid one, because I am currently the only person contributing to this code, I just want to keep everything in one and make it easy on myself. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just create a new branch called dub dub dub. And I'm going to remove everything but dub 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 here, meaning I'm going to get rid of all the CLI code, any packages that the CLI needs, and that's it. And I'll continue to work on web-related changes over here. So first thing I'm going to do is open up my package.json, and there will no longer be a binary, so I'm going to get rid of that. It also does not need promptly, does not need actually anything but Nuxt at this time, because our website doesn't do anything. So now that that has been taken care of, I should be able to run yarn, and our yarn.log for this branch should be good. I'm also still seeing a bunch of stuff, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just actually remove yarn.log, then run yarn one more time, and then it should become much smaller, and all these oh, that will be on the other side. This is still going to require all these. Damn. Okay, while that's happening, the other thing I don't need is this index.json, because this is our CLI, so I'm going to get rid of that. And then, that pretty much covers it. Let's just make sure that we can still develop, and our website still loads. Okay. 3000. My simple website is still here. Great. Moving on, I'm gonna first commit these changes. Commit our stage. Code and dependencies. Okay. Now that's done. Now I'm gonna revert back to my master branch, which includes my CLI code, and here I'm going to go through the same exercise, but get rid of Nuxt from here, and that should actually be it. And then if I run yarn, once that finishes, why is our log file so... Oh, all at the bottom. Gotcha. Cool. See? Our yarn.log is now nice and small. Great. And we no longer have any other unnecessary things. Oh, we gotta get rid of the pages directory. So I'm gonna get rid of that. And we are good. So let's also commit this. So I'm going to first push origin master. Yarn patch version this. Oops. Okay. And then I'm going to publish this new one into npm. And now the build is going to be nice and small so people can update really fast. Great. The other side that I have to take care of is making sure Netlify still builds, but now the target branch is not going to be master, but it's going to be the target branch is going to be www. So let me log in. SpacedTime, site settings, build and deploy. And the production branch is currently set to master. I am going to change this and make this www. Great. Now that that is done, let's test to see that it still deploys. What I'm going to do is check out our www branch and push this now. And when that pushes, and if I check our deploy, we can see that a new version of this is now deploying here. When that finishes, I mean, we made no changes, but it's still deploying just because it thinks we made some changes. Cool. That actually covers it. In this video, we've separated our code base from CLI and www, and they both have their own separate deployment processes, one to npm and one to www, and they don't really interfere and overlap each other anymore. Cool. Thanks, guys.